Towels, bath towels, bathrobes. Life is too common in this kind of toiletries. In order to better absorb water effect and affinity with the skin, or soft and softer, the surface of the beverage have a certain elasticity. Production of bathrobe, bath towel is also an essential step after laying cloth for cutting. In this process, the use of manual laying fabric requires at least two people to cooperate in order to carry out. Laying efficiency is also limited. Manual laying cloth can only spread 7 to 8 meters of fabric. If the manual laying longer, fabric with elasticity, after dragging will produce deformation, and after cutting fabric shrinkage size is not right. The use of Blue Lotus 1205 cloth laying machine effectively solved the problem of fabric laying pulling deformation. Whether rolls of fabric or cloth Blue Lotus pegging machine can be applied. The pegging machine will evenly spread the fabric to the cutting table and spread the length of 3 times the manual or longer can also save more than one section of the fabric head cloth tail. If the production volume is slightly larger, a factory like cloth head cloth tail loss will be able to save 4:500 in one, at least 2 workers' wages. And the Blue Lotus flower cloth laying machine operation difficulty is particularly low. Simple training can be easily applied. Compared to 3 or 4 people laying cloth together, laying machine advantages are obvious. Compared to manual laying machine 30到40%, faster and only one person is responsible for watching on the line. Equipment laying spare time can also be arranged for other matters.